What's up, everyone? This is Wayne. Today I'm going to be talking about the Toyota tb225 tip. Now, as you can see, hopefully this thing will get used this year for 2025 mower season, of course, because I'm hoping this thing will get used this year. And what I do like about this thing exactly, it's basically how much I expected this thing exactly. I do like this machine a lot because I think this is pretty nice looking machine in my opinion. This thing got used since all the way to June, and this thing's been sitting since Jan, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, and March. So I think it's been like 7 to 8 months now, you can see, but I mean, this thing's got no gas in the tank right now, you can see, because you know how I expected this thing exactly, because you see, I know I have to keep messing with the chocolate, because it's like, it's cold blooded, so you know how I expected this thing exactly. This was sort of a noise, and like 3 years ago exactly, because you could see how much we expected this thing. I don't know if it still has compression, so I'm not even testing it until put it outside and see how much compression is exactly. You can see, this thing doesn't, I mean, this thing get used almost quite a bit, but you can see, when you get this thing, you have to assemble it, like, I don't know, you put the handle on or something like that, you can see, but, it's definitely what it is exactly, but because you get, obviously you can tell because you can see how much expected this thing exactly, because and you have to put the blades on, you can see, but it's not a bad looking machine in my opinion, but you could see it's definitely how much we expected this year, so I do hope some point this year will get used this year to think of some stuff. I'm hoping, because we don't ever use this thing often, same thing as a general push washer. In my opinion, this thing will get used almost quite a bit, because you could see how much I expected this thing exactly, because it's not a bad looking machine in my opinion, but it's a pretty nice looking machine in my opinion, but you could see how much we expected this thing exactly, so I do hope some point this thing will get used this year for 2025 this year. I do hope this thing will get used this year. I promise this thing will get used this year.